Welcome back to my channel. And today we are making a summer salad. What I call a summer salad, my version. I'm not sure if other people have salads that they make that they call summer salad, but this is my summer salad. Here are a list of our ingredients for our summer salad. We have romaine lettuce, we have an English cucumber, blueberries, red bell peppers, fresh mozzarella cheese, and we have some roasted corn. And we have some carrots, garlic, olive oil, white wine, maple syrup, lemon, and some Himalayan salt and black pepper in our little wood casing. Here are our vitamin content for our summer salad. We have our blueberries, vitamins A, C, K, manganese, and potassium. We have our lemon, C, and fiber. We have our English cucumber, which has A, K, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. We have our mozzarella cheese, C, folate and potassium. We have our corn, B, C, and folate. Our carrots, A, beta carotene, biotin, and potassium. Our romaine lettuce, A, K, and calcium. Our red bell peppers, A, B2, B6, C, folate, niacin, and potassium. We have our garlic paste, B6, C, and manganese. We have white wine, B2, B6, magnesium, niacin, riboflavin. Our maple syrup, B2, B5, B6, calcium, iron, magnesium, niacin, potassium, riboflavin, and zinc. Olive oil, E and K. Our Himalayan salt, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and black pepper, A, B1, B2, B6, C, E, and K. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do in my summer salad is that I am actually going to peel. This is an English cucumber. So I'm going to cut the ends of my cucumber. I've already washed it, dried it. Just cut the ends of my cucumber. Now you can leave the skin on if you like. I'm choosing to remove it in this dish. I love this little peeler here. It's so smooth and quick and easy. And then, I just kind of want to get some of my fresh things going on here. So I am cutting our cucumbers. I've already cut some, put in a bowl, but I'm cutting it down to about a 1/4 inch thick. So once I get that cut, then we'll work on our bell peppers. The only thing is that it's in my way as I keep cutting, but just about a 1/4 inch thick. I'm almost done cutting it. Here's our bell peppers. Now, our bell peppers have been washed and cleaned. I like to puncture it because when I puncture it, it grabs the whole entire seed. So I'm going to cut it open and you'll see what I'm referring to. So you see that? It grabs the whole entire seed on one. And then all you have to do after that is just take your pepper over and just gently pat it till the rest of the minimal seeds that's left in will come right out and you'll see it pretty clean. Oops. So I gently pat it and you can see it's fully clean now. No more seeds. No seeds. So now I'm just gonna cut them into slices, and I'm gonna half the slices because they're a little too long. I'm not making stir fry. I'm putting in salad, so we want it to be edible, bite size. So just these, just into bite-sized pieces, and then put it in our bowl because we just want a beautiful variety of colors. So I'm not going to use all the peppers. I'm just going to take about half of it. So now we're going to do our carrots. Now the carrots, because they're shredded carrots, they're a little bit long. So I am going to just half them. So I'm just going to gather it together. And just kind of like rough chop it. Gently rough chop it so it's not going all over the place. And that's it. I've taken out some of our romaine lettuce. I peeled them off. Again, just take the ends off here. Just cut those rough ends off. I've already washed it. So chop our salad up. I like to do it counterclockwise. That's just me. You could do it however works for you. All right, so I'm just gonna cut this up. I'm just gonna rough chop just a little bit. So we've added our cucumbers and our red bell peppers and our carrots that's been cut. Now we're gonna add our corn. This is just some canned corn that I have here. Just some of the can. I took about half the can. Okay, and now we're gonna add our fresh mozzarella balls. So I'm gonna take a ball and a half because this is where we're gonna get our added protein. I'm gonna take a ball and a half and I'm gonna cut it into cubes. They're nice and soft, the cheese. So this is where our protein will come in. Got some big pieces here, so let me just cut that down some more. Or you can have them big if that's what you choose to like to have. Here. Slice them up. Gonna go a little smaller this time. Yep. And what I want to do also is we'll add a little bit of Himalayan salt and black pepper to a whole salad. Himalayan salt and black pepper. So this is to taste. So as you know, Himalayan salt is low in sodium. So this is to taste. Put a little bit more. Now our black pepper. Okay, so I am going to, my blueberries have already been washed. I'm now going to add some blueberries to here. Look at all these beautiful colors. You have the green, you have the white, you have the yellow, you have the red, you have the light green from the cucumbers. Oh my God, the orange from the carrots. Okay, and so here's our blueberries. These blueberries I'm going to leave for our dressing. Yep, you heard me. We're going to make a blueberry lemon dressing. So because of the blueberries in here, you want to gently mix this. Gently mix this so everything can like be incorporated. Gently like fold this, mix this together. I'll add a little bit more blueberries to this. So you can see this beautiful ray of blueberry heaven. Yes. What I'm also going to do is take my zester and I'm going to zest some lemon over this. Now, here's the thing. The best way to kind of get a nice clean zest, here's a tip for you, is to freeze whatever citrus fruit, lemon, oranges, lime that you want. And it just allows it to come off really easily. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell this fresh smell. See how this is just coming off. The colder, the more frozen it is, mine's just starting to thaw out a little bit, the better. So don't judge a book by its cover. This is our blueberry dressing. Yes, it looks very blueberry-like. And so you can see what it looks like. And I am actually gonna put some lemon zest in here. Now, I'm not gonna blend it. I'm just gonna shake it because we don't want our zest to, kind of disappear. So again, it's really great if you have like a frozen lemon because everything just kind of glides off. Yeah. So there we go. Just gonna put whatever's in here in there, and I'm just gonna shake it up. I don't want too much left on here. Okay. So here we go with the zest that's in here. It's a lot of zest. And I'm just gonna just shake it up and not blend it. And I'm going to taste it here. That's nice. Really refreshing. So good. Definitely got to try making this. Okay, so now that our dressing's done and our salad's complete, love our salad. Our yummy salad is all done. Our blueberry vinaigrette is done. So we're gonna dig in here, get our bowls, and eat some salad. Ooh, child, I cannot wait to eat my salad, to cool off, because it is just something terrible out there. I'm gonna finish putting my dressing on. Okay, so I know, okay, listen, you can put less blueberries if you don't want it that dark. But I love some blueberries because blueberries have antioxidants that help with your beauty and everything. So I love it. I'm gonna zest some of my lemon here, even though I have some inside my blueberries dressing. I want to put some on my salad. Ooh, yes. Get some more freshness here. Get all that freshness. All for moi. Here's our wonderful summer salad. One without the blueberry vinaigrette, with just our veggies and our fruit of the blueberry and our protein of the fresh mozzarella, and the other one that has all of those ingredients of the bell peppers and the corn and the lettuce and the English cucumber and the carrots and the red bell peppers, as well as the fire roasted corn and the fresh mozzarella and the blueberry vinaigrette, which has our lemon zest in it. And we also have a garnish of lemon zest, and it has some white wine. Yes. So hopefully you enjoy it, or enjoy. Okay. So here's our salad complete without the blueberry vinaigrette, and this one with it. I have to tell you, it is yummy. But since I'm giving this to someone I don't know if they want, they could pour it themselves or pour how much they want. I wanted a lot of it, so mine's look purplish, but we're gonna dig in here and get cooled off and eat. Got my English cucumbers here, my salad. Let me get some of my blueberries. Let me, come on, blueberry, come on. Come on, get on this fork, baby. Don't do that to me, don't embarrass me. Okay, here we go. Ooh, yes. Cool, refreshing. Wow. Getting all these bursts of juices in my mouth from the cucumber and the ends of the romaine that has more water in it. Yes. Here's my call to action. Don't forget to click the like button if you haven't done so already. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know every time I upload a new video. I really hope that don't, again, judge a book by its cover. I hope you're not looking at the fact that it looks purplish and be like, oh, I don't know if I want that kind of dressing. Again, that's why I showed it to you without the blueberry dressing. Or you could put less blueberries and add a little bit more oil and, vinegar if you don't want to do white wine. I have acid reflux, so I tend not to use too much vinegar. I tend to use more like white wine. So I thank you for hanging out with me. And I ask you to come back and hang out with me again. And if you tried this salad, let me know how it went for you. Or if you want me to do a different salad, let me know. And I really appreciate your time hanging out with me. Come back again and do so. And hold on, don't forget, be good to yourself, and health is wealth. Thank you again. Mwah.